Hello, welcome back to the channel. I've got another Spark 143 model to unbox, and today it's the 2020 Wynn's Porsche RSR. In 2020, the 24 Hours of Le Mans would run for the first time with 0 fans in attendance. This was because of the global pandemic caused by the coronavirus. With the demise of the Ford GT program last year, Ben Keating teamed up with Project One and entered a Wynn-sponsored Porsche RSR for the race. After the devastating blow of winning the GTE Elm class last year and then being disqualified, Ben Keating, Jerome Bleekemolen, and Felipe Fraga were hoping this year would favor them much better. Qualifying went well as the team sat just inside the top 10 with a P9 out of 24 GTE Elm teams. Shortly after the race started, the Wynn's RSR was heading into turn 1 and luckily missed an accident that happened right behind them. A Toyota snuck up the inside of the number 61 Ferrari and the driver went a little wide and lost control of the car, and barely missed hitting one of the Dempsey Porsches. However, the biggest gut punch would come in the afternoon for the Project One Wynn's Porsche. During a slow zone at Indy and Arnage, a P2 car lost control on the exit of Indy and spun around. A harmless spin, but the Wynn's RSR had nowhere to go and drove straight into him. The incident seemed minor, but the hit would cause enough damage for a lengthy pit stop. The car was back out many laps down, but ended up finishing 14th out of 16 cars in class. Not the year or the result the team wanted, and another robbed podium for the drivers. And here is the 2020 RSR. It comes in a really cool box. This is the 2020 version, and I guess they're doing different boxes for different years, but this is the first 2020 car I have. And what's interesting about it is you kind of get these blue and yellow checkered lines down here. And then on the back, you've got this really cool multicolored graphic swirls next to the new Le Mans logo. The car code and the car class is on there. Same for this on this side. And it's a great looking box, but let's unbox it. As I said earlier in my Wynn's Ford GT video, I'm trying to collect all the Wynn's GT cars. And this is a great Project One Porsche with a title sponsor Wynn's livery. The purple is a lot lighter than that of the Ford and it's not very metallic, but it still has a great color scheme to it. With the orange and pink stripes going down the sides and the top, it really shows off the lines of the Porsche and could easily be spotted on track. It was the only purple car out there, so it was hard to miss. And a cool little detail, there's another sponsor on here called 4 Horsemen Racing, and that would be a little teaser for next year's race. But this driver lineup has great chemistry. Jerome Bleekemolen, Felipe Fraga, and Ben Keating, they've been racing GT cars together for a long time, and the chemistry really shows. And even though you have a great driver lineup, Le Mans is such a hard race to win. Getting robbed last year in the Ford GT and now hitting that LMP2 car, it just goes to show how much of an uphill battle this team has had. But the car looks great. Spark did an amazing job on it. I love this fat diffuser back here. The RSRs sounded so good on track. They were one of the best sounding cars out there. A great looking car, but not a great finish for the team. So here it is, the 2020 Project One Wynn's Porsche RSR that finished 14th in class. It's in the collection and I can't wait to display it. If you like this video, give me a like and a follow. I've got a lot more cars to unbox and I'm doing a video every Friday. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.